What am I doing these days? Every day I go shooting, I work, I rest, I relax, I travel.
You seem to embrace work hard and play hard mindset. How do you manage your time?
So what I do is I break my time into chunks and I look at the 3 most important things that I have to do every day. And I will make sure that I do those 3 things because we have too many things to do. And if we don't prioritize, we will never get things done. So what I do every day is I write down, okay, these 3 things that I have to do, and I make sure I do it. And that's how I manage my time. So when I choose a gym, the cleanliness of the gym, it has to be clean and it has to smell good. I think that's very important for me, and flooring, a nice floor is good. Modern machinery helps me to work on certain muscle groups, so I like having the latest technology. The aqua stations are wonderful. They feel like hands of butter that are constantly and forcefully massaging your back and your muscles. And it's really a very interesting and relaxing experience. I like the constant pressure of the water against my body. I think the most important thing when choosing a cigar is probably how much time do you have. That will depend on the size of the cigar you choose, and also how does that cigar make you feel?
What's the best and most fear to smoke cigar?
That depends on what you want to do. If you're with friends, it may be different. If you're alone and you just need some time to think, it's also different.
Your favorite meeting?